be showing you these highlighters that I got in the mail today. And tomorrow is Easter, and I hope you guys will have a great Easter tomorrow, and I hope you guys will have fun watching this video. So today we are gonna look at these. So right now I'm gonna open them, and then we're gonna test them out on the piece of paper. So they come in a little pack that you could open, and then it comes with green, blue, a really like indigo color, like magenta, purple, like a hot pink, red, orange, and we have like a pink peachy color and yellow. So we are gonna test out the green. That's a very nice color. I kind of like it. And we're gonna test out this. It's kind of like a nice light kind of blue color. And it's gonna move on to a lighter blue. It's a nice color. And then the magenta. That's kind of nice. And then we're gonna look at this very dark purple. I like that color. It's kind of like a very light purple, like a lavender color. And then we're gonna look at this pink. It's a very light kind of pink color. And then we're gonna look at this color. I think it's the red. That's very nice. It looks kind of like blood. It's very deep kind of color. Then we're going to move on to this peachy pink color. Kind of looks a little bit orangish, kind of like orange. Then we're going to look at the orange. It's like, this is like a neon orange. And then our last one, we're gonna look at this neon kind of yellow. I don't think you guys can see this because it's really light. So these are highlighters, and if I don't know where to get them, they just randomly came in the mail. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Easter. Bye!